गुरुमहागणाधिपतये नमः। तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात्। कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गे प्रचोदयात्। नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात्। महादेव्यै च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। पुरुषाय विद्महे महासेनाय धीमहि तन्नः षण्मुख प्रचोदयात्। भूतनाथाय विद्महे भवपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नः शास्ता प्रचोदयात्। नित्याय च सोमाय मंगलाय बुधाय च गुरु शुक्र शनिभ्यश्च राहवे केतवे नमो नमः। आंजनेयाय विद्महे वायुपुत्राय धीमहि तन्नो हनुमत् प्रचोदयात्। सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणि नमोस्तुते। त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात्। नमो व्रातपदये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमदपदये नमस्ते स्तुलंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्नविनाशिने शुभसुदाय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। नमस्ते हरिहर देवताभ्यो नमो नमः। सर्वपराधक्षमार्थं सर्वमङ्गलप्राप्त्यर्थम् अलङ्कार पञ्चमुखदीपं दर्शयामि आचमनीयं समर्पयामि नित्यरक्षां धारयामि इन्द्रस्तोमेन विन्ददशेन मध्यमिदं वादेन सारेण रक्षां धारयामि।
Namaste, Shamala ji.
Yes. Namaste to everybody.
Just wanted to make sure, yeah, it's being recorded, Shamala ji. Thank you.
Okay. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Ya samsmrida dakshanameva handi sarvabhado bhakti vinamra murtibhi karodu sanah shubhe durishwari shubhani bhadrani abhihandu jabadaha. Today is Shankara Jayanti also. Sri Shankaracharya is believed to be an incarnation of Lord Shiva. So I have asked Aikya. Aikya, are you there?
I'm here.
Hi Aikya. Aikya to do a bhajan song on Lord Shiva. Okay, Aikya.
So I'm doing a song called Boshambu, Ragam, Revati, Talam, Adi, composer Dayananda Saraswati. Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho. 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 Bho Shambho Shiva Shambho Swayambho.
Continue.
Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita. Nirguna Parabrahma Swarupa. Gama Gama Bhuta Prapancharahita. Nijapura Nihita Nitantarananta. Nijapura Nihita Nitantarananta. Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga. Ananda Atishaya Akshaya Linga. Bho Shambho शिव शंभो स्वयंभो दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि किटतक तोम 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 तरि किट किट तोम दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि किटतक तोम 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 तरि किट तोम मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईश सर्व दिगंबर वेष्टित वेश नित्य निरंजन नेत्युत देश ईश सभेश सर्वेश दिमित दिमित दिमि दिमि किटतक तोम 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 तरि किट तोम मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईश सर्व दिगंबर वेष्टित वेश नित्य निरंजन नेत्युत देश ईश सभेश सर्वेश भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो.
Thank you, Aikya. It was nice. Okay.
Thank you.
So today I'm supposed to talk on Shanaishchara, that is the seventh planet. So the dhyanam goes like this: Neelanjana samabhasam Reviputram yamagrajam Chaya martanda sambhudam Tam namami Shanaishcharam Neelanjana samabhasam Raviputram yamagrajam Chaya martanda sambhudam Tam namami Shanaishcharam Tam namami Shanaishcharam. The meaning is, I bow down to Shani, who is blackish blue in color, glowing like a blue stone. He is the son of the sun god, Surya, born to Chaya Devi, and he is the brother of Yama, and one who moves slowly. Yama as the step brother, like the older brother, and he moves slowly. So he is called Shanaishchara because Shanaye Kramadi Saha Idi Shani, or Shanaihi Charadi Idi Shanaishchara, Mandagadi. Now I'm going to the Kirtanam by Dikshidhar. This is in the Raga Yadukula Kamboji. Yadukula Kamboji is light Bhakti Raga. Bhakti Raga, lot of, it is used in Kathakali music, and it is also used, most of them are semi-classical Bhakti songs. So I will try to sing a little bit. If it works out, instead of reading, I will try to sing it. Divakaradhanujam Shanaishcharam Dhiradaram Sandadam Chindayeham. It says, this is the Pallavi, and this Kirtanam is set in Ekatalam, which has got 4 beats. So Dikshidhar has used all talams, 7 talams in these Navagraha Godis. Divagara Tanujam Shanaishcharam Dhirataram Sandadam Chindayeham. Divagara Tanujam, obviously son of Divagara or sun god. Shanaishcharam, one who moves very slowly. Dhiradaram, one who is very brave. Sandaram Chindayeham. I think about you, O Shanaishchara, all the time. Or I always meditate upon the slow moving Shanaishchara son of Surya, the courageous one, Dhiradara. Then the Anupallavi goes like this. Bhavambuni Dhaunimagnanam Bhayangaram Adikura Haladam Bhavani Jagadat Patra Buddha Bhakti Madam Adishaya Shubha Baladam Bhavambunidau Nimagna Jana Bhayangaram Adi Krura Baladam Bhavanisha Kadacha Patra Buddha Bhakti Madam Adishaya Shubha Baladam. Then the meaning is Bhavambunidhi Nimagna Janana. And that those who are involved or engaged in the samsara sagaram, Bhavambunidhau Nimagra Janana, drowned, you can say, drowned in the material world. To those people, he becomes, Shanaishara doesn't like it, so he becomes Bhayangaram, terrible, Adikrura Phaladam, and he gives severe punishments for them in different ways. Who causes fear in people, plunge in the ocean of worldly pleasures. And then it says, Bhavanisha Kadaksha Patra Pula. Bhavanisha is Lord Shiva, Kadaksha Patra Pula. But those who are devotees of Lord Shiva and who has Kadaksham of Lord Shiva, he is very kind to them. He grants uniquely auspicious rewards for devotees favored by Shiva's glances. That is Kadaksha Patrapuda. Then we go to the Charanam Bhaktimada Adishaya Shubhavalanam. So to the devotees of Lord Shiva, he is very kind and he gives them auspicious reward. Charanam goes like Kalanjana Kandiyuta Deham Kala Sahodaram Kagavaham Nilangusha Pushpa Mala Vrudam Nilaratna Bhushanalangudam Malini Vinuda Guruha Mudidam Magara Kumbha Rashi Nadham Tila Daila Misridana Dibabriyam Daya Sudha Sagaram Nirpayam Kaladanda Paripidida Janam Kamidartha Balaja Kamadhenam Kalachakrabheda Chitrabanam Kalpida Chaya Devi Saratanujam. So Charana goes like this. Kalanjana Kandi Yukta Deham. Again, his body of a dark luster, darkish blue or dark luster like collyrium, and he is Kala Sahodaram. He is the brother of Yama. Yama is again, I said, is the step brother. That is Surya's first wife's brother. Yeah, I'm a son. I'll be talking more about this later. Then Kagavaha. Kagavaha, he has crow as the vehicle. Neelangusha Pushpa Mala Vratam. Okay, he is adorned with ornaments embedded with blue stones. Neela Ratna Pushanalangradam, and who is worshipped. He was worshipped by Malini Vinuda Guruguha Murkudidam, who is worshipped by Malini. And here it is alluding to Malini. Here is Malini itself means a river, but here the story of Panjali comes. The Panjali, when she was in Pandavas were incognito, they stayed in the Virata's King Virata's palace. So she knew that she was going through. They were all going through some problems with the planets, especially Shani, and also she started praying to. Here it says Guru Guha, you can say Skanda also. So it is said that each god has his own Pita Shaktis, So Pita Shakti of Subramanya is Malini. It says Shakuni, Revati, Buddha, Mahapuda, Nishithirna, Malini, Shitala, Buddha, Navami, Vishwadomukhi. So Draupadi was praying to Guru Guha, Skanda, and also to Shani Deva to remove their problems. So Malini, Vinuda, Guru Guha Mudidam, Magara Kumbha Ashinatham. So the the Atiba, the lord of the houses for Shani is Capricorn, which is Makara, and Aquarius is Kumbha. With the special, then it says Tiladailam Mishruda Anna Diva Priyam. Shani Deva is pleased if you light a lamp with sesame oil and also give Naivedyam with rice with sesame seeds. Then it says Daya Sutha Sagaram. He is the most compassionate person and Nirbhayam, fearless. Then the next line says Kaladanda Paripidita Jani. Kaladanda Paripidita Jani, whose knee was disfigured by the staff of Lord of Death. So there was a fight between Yama and Shani once when Shani Deva was making fun of Yama's mother. So they had a fight at that time. Yama kicked Shani Deva's knee, so he had a lame knee. Then it says, so it was disfigured. Kamidartha Phalata Kamadhenu. In spite of all, he will Shani Deva can turn into be like a Kamadhenu, fulfilling the wishes of the devotees. Then Kala Chakra Bheda Chitrabhani. He can control the Kala Chakra, just like Shiva as Kala Bhairava can control the lifespan of a person. In the case of Shiva, we all know the story of Markandeya. The same way Shani can change our lifespan depending upon our lifestyle and the deeds and the deeds we do in our life. Chakra represents the constant and dynamic circulation of the power of the infinite. The chakra, like the yantra, can lead us to the perception of the divine, like the Sri Chakra. The perfect lines of beauty, harmony, and symmetry with which the master mathematician, of course God, designs the universe are caught in this chakra. So that is the Kirtana. Now I'm going to talk about in general about Shani and few additional things. So there may be some repetition. Saturn takes about 29 to 30 years to go around the sun. Compared to, for some examples, Earth, for example, 1 year, 365 days, Mercury, 3 months, Venus, 7 years, and so on. Then, so that is why he is called Shanaishara, going very, very slow. Birth of Shani. It is believed that Shani opened his eyes as a baby for the first time. That moment, Sun, his father, went into an eclipse, which answers the impact of influence of Shani on astrological terms. That is the malefic feature. Most powerful of Shani is considered as the most powerful of the planets, even though his Sun is considered as the leader of the planets. So, he's the only one who is being called as Shanishwara also. In Kerala, we usually use the term, I don't know about other places. He is Shanideva, Shanishwara, and Shanishwara also. So it is said that among all the planets, the most powerful of the planets is Shanishwara. Shani is considered as the greatest teacher. He likes to put people through trials, especially the devotees. He's a well-wisher for righteous people who follow the moral principles of life and set good example. He is the greatest punisher for those who follow the path of evil. So we all fear about Shani. Whenever we talk about Shani, everybody has a fear that Shani is always malefic. It is not so. So for those who are good and lead a good life, Shani gives good results. Whereas if we are on the opposite path, he gives you the negative results. For justice, he is like Yama, his half brother. Through discipline, asceticism, and solitude, we could get the beneficial effect of Shani. Now I'm going to the family, the Sun's family. Children of Sun's god. His first wife was Sanjana, out of which he had 3 children, Manu, Yama, and Yamuna. So Sanjana couldn't bear the heat and the light of sun, the sun god, so she withdrew and became Chaya Devi, who was more dark in color, from whom Sun had 3 children again, Sharvani, Shani, and Bhadrai. The nature of Shani is tamasic or inertia. He is narrow-chested, dressed in black. He has 1 leg lamed. He has crow as vehicle, which we described earlier. See, the Roman god for repeating crops is also called Saturn. His symbol is also curved like Shani's curved sickle hand with dotted lines. Shani holds a lance in one hand and in the other hand holding a posture of refuge. This lotus-shaped seat is there. Flower is Karunguvalai. Direction is west. His wife is Jeshta Devi. Son is Guligan. Other name for Shani is Kavi, Mandan, Gunan. Zodiac, we said Capricorn and Aquarius. Kumbha and Makara. When Shani is in the exalted position, he is in the Libra. Nija Bhava is in the Mesha or Aries. Shani did penance in Kashi or Benares for a long time, giving prayers to Shiva and got his blessings. And it is believed, some of us believe, it is believed that he is an incarnation of Lord Shiva. When Shani is in Swakshetra, it bestows all kinds of prosperity to the native. If this happens, it will last generations to come. So if we do that, all if somebody has Shani in the Swakshetra and does good things in life, the profits or the results are transferred from generation to generation. He will become a pillar of jnana, knowledge, and respective position in society. And a couple of things that I wanted to mention. We are all familiar with the term 7.5 years of Shani. So in Hindi, I think it says Sadhe Sati or something like that. 7.5 years of Shani happens every 29 years. That means if you live up to 90 years, it comes 3 times. Okay. It could be favorable or unfavorable depending upon the position of Shani in your horoscope. It is said that Sri Rama went to forest for 14 years. Pandavas went to forest. They had to be incognito and all, which we mentioned. And also Nala and Damayanti, in the separation of Nala and Damayanti, all these things happened during these 7.5 years of Shani. Then houses affected the Ashtami, Shani in the Ashtamic position, then Makara Kumbha Rashi. Then there is some interesting story about how Shani tried to bring down Hanumanji, see, and also Ravana. So when Ravana knew that Hanuman was going to see him after finding out Sita, what he did was, in front of his throne, he kept Shani, he kept all the planets under control, and he kept the Shani's face downwards, so that Shani was the one he was afraid of also. So he tried to control it, and Narada happened to come there and told Ravana that please don't do it. It is not nice. Okay. And Hanumanji, of course, nobody could beat Hanumanji. So when Hanumanji came, Hanumanji already knew what Ravana was doing. So he cleverly kept the face of Shanideva up. And then Ravana's strength went down, and then we all know what was the rest of the story. Then another story, so we will show you a picture of both Hanumanji and Shanideva. Another time, Shani wanted to put down Hanumanji. So Hanumanji was in deep meditation on the seashore, and Shanideva walked in front of him few times, and to disturb the meditation of Hanumanji. So what Hanumanji did was he just extended his tail and went around Shanideva and hold him tight to the point that he couldn't he couldn't breathe. So since then Shanideva understood what is the strength of Hanumanji. So that is one reason we say that when you have Shani in the bad position, do prayers to Hanumanji. Another interesting story is that about the 7.5 years of Shani Dasha, it is said that in one of the stories that even Lord Shiva couldn't escape these 7.5 years of Shani and its problem. But Shiva asked Shani Deva that can't you reduce it down to 7.5 months or 7.5 weeks? Shani said, no way. And then Shiva Deva approached Devi, Ammaji, and said, you need to help me. So what happened? Shiva Deva hid inside the locket of the Devi. And so even that 7.5 weeks was reduced to 7.5 hours. So that is the Shakti of Devi. None of the planets can affect Devi. So Devi saved Shiva Deva from the 7.5 years of Shani. Okay. Then I thought we had a picture of Shani Deva and Hanumanji. Are we going to show it? Here is the picture of Hanuman. If you look at the picture of Shani Deva here, his eyes are looking up with reference to Hanumanji. Okay, so this is the picture, how he found out how great, how powerful Hanumanji was. Okay, then the last thing I want to say is that about the temple of Shani, is called Tirunallaru. Okay, and the Tirtham, each temple has a Tirtham, and here the Tirtham is called Nala Tirtham because Nala has gone there and prayed there and had taken bath in this Tirunallur temple. So to conclude, Shanishwara is the controller of all planets. So if we can please Shanishwara, we have to pray to Lord Shiva, of course, first, and also Lord, Hanumanji. So let us do prayer to not only Shani, Shiva and Hanumanji and get the negative effects from Shani. But like I said before, that Shani is not to be feared of because he is good to, he does good things to good people, and he is bad only if you are going in the wrong ways. So Shani is still to be revered. That is my conclusion. So thank you for listening to me. I'm sorry that the song didn't come out good. So right now I will ask the Sukumar family to come forward and do the bhajan, the Hanuman Chalisa and the Mangala Sloka.
Thank you, Shamala. I'm going to sing an Amman song, which I heard my mother-in-law singing long time ago. So I hope it comes out okay. Karpura Nayagiye Kanakavalli Kali Mahamayi Karumari Amma Or Koyil Konda Sivakami Amma Uvirinda Valli Devayane Amma Virkola Vedavali Visalachi Velikola Mamadure Meenachi Sorkoyil Nanamaite Ningataye Sudaraga Valavai Payane Niye அம்மா கற்பூர நாயகியே கனகவள்ளி காளி மகாமாயி கருமாரி அம்மா கண்ணிரண்டும் முன்னுறவே காண வேண்டும் காலிரண்டும் உன்னுடைய நாட வேண்டும் பண்ணமைக்கும் நான் உன்னையே பாட வேண்டும் பக்தியோடு கையிரண்டும் கூட வேண்டும் எண்ணமெல்லாம் உன் நினைவே ஆக வேண்டும் எடுப்பதெல்லாம் உன்னுடையதாக வேண்டும் மண்ணலக்கும் சமயபுர மாரியம்மா இந்த மகளுடைய குறைகளையும் தீர்க்க வேண்டும் அம்மா கற்பூர நாயகியே கனகவள்ளி காளி மகாமாயி கருமாரி அம்மா நெற்றினில் உள் குங்குமமே நிறைய வேண்டும் நெஞ்சினில் உள் திருநாமம் வழிய வேண்டும் கற்றதெல்லாம் மேல் மேலும் பெருக்க வேண்டும் கவிதையில் உன்னாமம் வாழ வேண்டும் சுற்றமெல்லாம் நீடோழி ஆள வேண்டும் ஜோதியிலே நீ இருந்து ஆள வேண்டும் மற்றதெல்லாம் நான் உனக்கு சொல்லலாமா மடி மீது பிள்ளை என்னை தள்ளலாமா அம்மா கற்பூர நாயகியே கனகவள்ளி காளி மகாமாயி கருமாரி அம்மா அன்புக்கே நான் அடிமை ஆக வேண்டும் அறிவுக்கே என் காது கேட்க வேண்டும் வம்புக்கே போகாமல் இருக்க வேண்டும் வஞ்சத்தை என் நெஞ்சம் அறுக்க வேண்டும் பண்புக்கே உயிர் வாழ ஆசை வேண்டும் பரிவுக்கே நான் என்றும் பணிய வேண்டும் என் பக்கம் இவையெல்லாம் இருக்க வேண்டும் எங்களோடு நீங்கள் என்றும் வாழ வேண்டும் அம்மா கற்பூர நாயகியே கனகவள்ளி காளி மகாமாயி கருமாரி அம்மா காற்றாகி கடலாகி கனலாகி நாய் கருவாகி உயிராகி உணவாகி நாய் நேற்றாகி இன்றாகி நாளாகி நாய் நிலமாகி பயிராகி உணவாகி நாய் தோற்றாலும் ஜெயித்தாலும் வாழ்வாகி நாய் தொழுதாலும் அழுதாலும் வடிவாகி நாய் போற்றாத நாள் இல்லை தாயே உன்னை பொருளோடு புகழோடு வைப்பாயங்களை அம்மா கற்பூர நாயகியே கனகவள்ளி காளி மகாமாயி கருமாரி அம்மா.
Thank you, Lata. And
Now
the song is about
Amman.
Devi, right?
Devi,
Amma.
yes, yes. So now I'm going to sing the Hanuman Chalisa.
Okay.
Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudari Baranau Raghuvar Bimal Jas Jodayak Phalachari बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूत तुलित बलधामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरण विराज सुबेशा कानन कुंडल कुंजित केशा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केशरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियाहि निखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर शिवर लाए रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाए तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे, अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे। सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा, नारद शारद सहित ईशा, यम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाते, कभी कोविद कहि सके कहाते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा। तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। युग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु, लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु। प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माहि, जलधि लांघि गय अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के तेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते। राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिन बैसारे। सब सुख लह तुम्हारी शरण, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे। दूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। नाशे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम भजन ध्यान जो लावे। सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके साज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे। चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंटन राम दुलारे। अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे। अंत काल रघुबरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई। और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई। संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करहु गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, झूठ ही बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, कीजे नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। कीजे नाथ हृदय मह डेरा। पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मारुति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय। मृत्योर्मा अमृतं तमय, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Thank you.
Thank you, Lata. Now Dr. Raju will talk to us about Shankara Jayanti and any other comments.
Oh, namaste. First of all, thank you, Shamalaji. This is so wonderful today. On a Monday, and with Shiva's grace. Thank you for the little one to sing Bho Shambho, and also Lataji. Lataji, that song is on Mariamma in Samayapur, if I'm right. Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
There are actually a lot of stanzas, but I had to cut it short.
Right. It's such a wonderful temple that if any of you have not gone, please visit. It is near the Srirangam temple, great temple, I think. Yeah, near Srirangam temple. Thank you. Thank you for great memories of that temple. Then Shamalaji, again, such a wonderful, expounding talk on Shaniswara or Shanaishchara. So I know a lot of people call Shaniswara, but you have explained so beautifully what Shanaishchara means, and also the meaning of Kirtana, and also the Puranic stories, and also people's experience about Hanuman, which was explained in Parashara Samhita, and also the Shiva's experience. So salutations to Shani Bhagavan. Salutations to Shani Bhagavan. Today is still part of Shankara Jayanti. Shankara Jayanti, Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya is Jagadguru. Jagadguru. Jagadguru title is given to Krishna. Krishnam Vande Jagadguru. And Adi Shankaracharya. And with the same title, the Shankara Parampara is still going on, blessing so many devotees and sustaining our Sanatana Dharma. Can you hear me okay? The clarity is okay. Voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. And so this great verse, Sadashiva Samarambham Vyasa Shankara Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. This Guru Parampara started with Sadashiva in the beginning. Then it was given to Sanaka, Sananda, Sanat Kumara, Sanat Sujata. Then to Vasistha and Vyasa Maharshi. And then to Adi Shankaracharya. And through Adi Shankaracharya to the Sishya Parampara. And then from Shankaracharya's, all our gurus. So whoever our gurus are, so we salute them who took the tradition of Sadashiva. There is another Vaishnava version of it. Narayana Samarambham Nadhayamuna Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. So Vaishnavites again consider Narayana, Hayagreva as Acharya and Nadha, Yamuna in between, and their own direct teachers. So today is this a great day when Shankara was born. Another great personality in our Sanatana Dharma who just lived for 32 years and accomplished so much in one's lifetime. I just have written this more like a poem, but I'll read, and this encompasses what I really wanted to tell about Shankara. Salutations to you, Sri Shankara, the incarnation pure of Lord Hara. A lot of people believe that it is Shankara, Shiva himself, who took the incarnation as Adi Shankara. You are a mastermind and one of a kind. Your fame knows no bounds, and your teachings are very profound. Renouncing at an early age, at age 8, renouncing at an early age, inspiring every monk and sage by 16. Infusing, in fact, he inspired and influenced and impressed Vyasa Maharshi himself. Then he gives, okay, you live another 16 years, even though your Ayush is over by now, but you have to do this great work. So renouncing at an early age, inspiring every monk and sage, infusing energy and courage, establishing the great Guru lineage, Guru Parampara, revealing non-duality, radiating the divinity. O Shankara, you traveled from south to north, you walked from east to west, you walked all over India. You brought together people from differing faith. You rejuvenated forever Sanatana Dharma, the eternal truth. The differing faith, Shanmata, the 6 matas were brought together by Shankara. That is Ganapatya, worshipping Ganapati. Saura, worshipping sun god, Aditya. Shakteya worshipping Amman Shakti, and Shiva, Saiva worshipping Shiva, then Vaishnava, and Kaumara are what is the other way to say Shanmukhamata? So, pass Shamalaji. Skanda. So, these 6 matas, so he brought together. Your complete works, which are so vast, completed the mission of sage Vyasa at last. Vyasa's commentaries, Vyasa's Upanishads needed a commentary by Shankara. So he did that. In a very short span of life, you achieved so much with perfection. I'm afraid my whole lifetime isn't enough for a sincere study and proper reflection of your works. In an attempt to praise your blessed self, I know I'm making a fool of myself for lack of words and lack of knowledge about your glory and the Supreme Self. As a master with rigorous discipline, as a teacher in every discipline, as a preacher of eternal truth, and guru of our rituals and faith, he established all the rituals. He wrote so many hymns and stotras and prayers. You excelled as a teacher of teachers, master of masters, and preacher of preachers. We salute you and great guru lineage. We worship you and practice your message. Salutations to you, Sri Shankara, the incarnation pure of Lord Hara. I just wrote this in Sanskrit. Let me just read this. I had a great opportunity to read this in front of Shringeri Jagadguru Shankaracharya. He was so impressed. It was just a blessing. And let me read this. Adi Shankara Loka Subhankara. Adi Shankara Akhila Shubhankara Advaita Prabhakara Sakala Loka Sivamkara. He Haravatara Sri Sadguruvara Veda Shastra Purana Punya Sarira. Veda Shastra Purana Punya Sarira. The embodiment of all Veda, Shastras and Puranas. Apara Jnana Vijnana Vichara Sagara. The ocean of the knowledge and wisdom, which has no bounds. Advayananda Nandano Dhyana Vanavihara. Advayananda Nandano Dhyana Vanavihara. He roamed in the garden of this non-duality. Aneka Pandita Sammanita Sadguru Vara. Many Pandits praised him. Aganita Gunagana Bhushita Shrikara. He was adorned with so many great qualities. Chaturmatha Samsthapaka, the 4 Shankara Mathas, East, West, North, South. East, Puri. West, Dwaraka. South, Shringeri. North, near Badrinath, Joshimath. So the Kanchi doesn't come under these 4, but it's also a famous one. Chaturmatha Samsthapaka, Adhyatma Vidyut Deepaka, Guru Parampara Vyapaka, Advaita Siddhanta Nayaka, Veda Vyasa Virachita Vedanta Bhashyakaraka, Veda Vedanta Viveka Rasamrita Pradayaka. He gave us this nectar of all the philosophy. Advaita Mata Samsthapaka, Aho Shanmata Sandhayaka, Ajnana Andhakara Vichedaka, Ajnana Andhakara Vichedaka, Atma Jnana Sankashaka, Sivananda Saundarya Lahari Gayaka. Shamalaji explained this Saundarya Lahari to us. Sivananda Saundarya Lahari Gayaka, Ananya Bhakti Prakashaka. With all this philosophy, there is no better bhakta than Shankaracharya. Sarva Devata Stuti Pracharaka, Prajnana Prasaraka, Shankara Deshika. Guru Nam Guruhu, Deshika Nam Varaha, Tvameva. Kavi Nam Kavihi, Yati Nam Patihi. He's a yati, he's a sage, he's a kavi, he was a poet, and he's a guru, and guru's guru. Guru Nam Guruhu, Desika Nam Varaha Tvameva, Kavi Nam Kavihi, Yati Nam Patihi Tvameva, Sadhaka Nam Gatihi, Bodhaka Nam Yutihi Tvameva. If any teacher has that excelling power, it is because of the knowledge imparted by Shankara. Bodhakanam dyutihi tvameva, sannyasinam manihi, yoginam shikhamanihi tvameva. A great sannyasi, a yoga shikhamani, Shankara. Tvameva sharanam, tvameva sharanam, bhava Shankara desika me sharanam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I bring in something? So he was such a great person, as a sannyasi, everything. But he had one regret at the end of his life. And that was he felt that he did not take care of his mother.
Yeah,
Okay, mother is like a goddess to everybody, right? So he had written what is called Devi Aparatha Kshamavana Stotram. I would like to recite the last part of it.
Please.
He says, Apat Sumagnaha Smaranam Tudiyam Karomi Durge Karunarnave Shive Naidachadatvam Mama Bhavayedaha Kshuda Trisharta Jananim Smaranti Jagadamba Vijitramatra Kim Paripurna Karunasti Janmayi Aparatha Parambara Vratam Nahimata Samupekshate Sudam Matsama Pabaki Nasti Pavagni Totsamanahi Evam Nyatva Mahadevi Yatha Yogyam Tatha Guru Matsama Pavaki Nasti Pavagni Totsamanahi Evam Nyatva Mahadevi Yatha Yogyam Tatha Guru. So he says earlier, Kuputro Bhavadi, but Kumada na Bhavadi. There will be a bad son, but never a bad mother. So I haven't done enough for you. I'm sorry. I couldn't be there where you wanted me really bad. So this is the Shamavana Stotram. I think we all could do. He says, Matsama Pavaginasi, I am the greatest sinner in the world, and you are the redeemer of all the sins. So whatever I deserve, please give it to me. Yatha Yogyan Tatha Guru. Yatha Yogyan Tatha Guru. I thought these are very beautiful lines.
Thank you, Shamalaji. Such a wonderful thing. Actually, this is in between, just after the Mother's Day here, we celebrate. That's such a beautiful Matru Panchakam. Thank you. And Apadevi Aparadhi Stotram.
Thank you.
Thank you. I think there is still time.
That was a beautiful session. Thank you, both of you, Dr. Raju and Shamlanti.
Shamalaji just asked me, and I thought I didn't know what to say other than read what you wrote. But Shamalaji, thank you. I mean, just because of you, we learned so many things from Saundarya Lahari, which is so difficult otherwise to understand and assimilate. And we are doing now Vivek Chudamani in our evening sessions on Sunday, which used to be on Wednesdays in Dr. Nayar's house.
If possible, I will try to conclude with the Upagraha, Rahu Ketu.
Please. So that will be next Monday. Just please, next Monday, Shamalaji has kindly agreed to do these two together, Upagrahas. So Rahu and Ketu, we're really looking forward to. Really looking forward to.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And so shall we conclude? Dr. Biram, I don't know whether you are there. Yes.
Yes, Raju. It is so nice to see Shamla full force presentation. Thank you, Shamala. Thank you, Dr. Raju. Aikya, thank you. And Lata, very nice singing. Thank you. Tomorrow, what do we have tomorrow, Dr. Raju?
So yeah, tomorrow Anup will conclude, and then Wednesday we have Ashwath Garu completing the Vedanga part of it. And then, that is Thursday. Wednesday, Dhaniredi Garu. Thursday, Ashwath Garu. And Friday, the last part of Sundarakanda. So the order has changed a little bit. So once again, tomorrow, Anup Shetty. Then Wednesday, Dr. Dhaniredi. Then Thursday, Ashwath Garu. Friday, Sanjeev Lalwani. And then we have a great week after that. Please, I will send the details of next week towards the weekend. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Shubharatri.
Shubharatri.
Thank you.
Thanks everybody. Subharatri.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shubharatri.